Hey, I'm Brogan here. Hey guys, welcome back to another channel. If you saw my yesterday's video, you know what I'm doing, so comment down below who YouTuber intro that was. If you watched them, great. If you don't, sad for you. So, if you saw my yesterday's video, like I said, I made this slime, and I want to try coloring it. So, you might just want to see what happens here. Hopefully it doesn't dye my desk. Let me see if I can get, sorry y'all, let me see if I can get full angle here. Okay. No! It's about to fall, sorry y'all. Okay, if it falls, I'm going to have to do something else. But I'm going to start, going to have to turn on. I'm so sorry, y'all. Okay, hold up. Okay, maybe this will work. Okay, so I need to take everything off of my desk that I don't care about. Okay, so you just want to go ahead and just I'm going to start just by playing with it so it gets the texture. My texture gets right. And then I'm gonna okay. Here goes nothing. Okay. If you can tell, I don't know if you can, but there's the little dot. And I'm going to fold it in slowly as I go. Because, I don't want to ruin anything. That would be bad. And I don't want it to get all over my desk. If only I could. So we're halfway there. I'm still folding in. I'm just praying that it won't get everywhere. And it won't get all on my desk. Because this was a very expensive desk. And it's already sort of on my hands. It's sort of working. You see, I didn't really want it to be a very dark blue, because that would look really weird. But I mean, it's blue. It definitely is a blue. So, I don't know if you could say that it worked. I think it worked. And it's very pretty. And yes, I love it so much. It's very awesome. I'm going to go make some fairy bread here in a minute, so yeah. That's what I'm looking forward to. I think I might. Do you like it this color, or do you think I should put a little more? I think I'm going to put a dot more. Okay. Okay. This is it with the dot. It just doesn't look very different. Just gotta fold it in, mix it in, all of that stuff. And I don't know if it's really gonna show a difference. It's very nice slime. It's not that fluffy. Like if I pull very hard, it will break. But see, if I pull very gently, it won't break. I'm gonna add, like, I can definitely tell it has definitely changed to a blue. Definitely. But you see, you can still tell that it's a clear blue. Because you can do this. And yeah, I'm just going to add a bit more. See, I don't really want it to be like really bold dark. But see, I don't want it to be really bold light. So maybe this will help. Maybe it won't. So I can tell y'all that it definitely worked. It's still the same slime. It's still amazing. And it still works great. I can tell you that right now. That it is still slime. And that's what you want it to be. It's so awesome. I think I might add just, let's do a bit more. I'm going to do little, like, there we go. Okay, that's all I'm doing. It ruined. And it looked terrible. And I don't want it to ruin my nails. Because look how pretty my nails are. I went and got them done at the salon. And they're gel. So they'll stay on for a while. And I absolutely love gel nails. Non-acrylic gel. Okay. My blue slime is a success. Do y'all hear my brother? He's so weird. Like, literally the weirdest person I know. Okay. Yeah. This is so awesome. I love it. I'm putting this guy away so it doesn't force me on putting more. But it's blue now. Here, let's see if that helped. Sorry, I have my stage lighting in the back. It's actually my lamp. So, yes. Right there. Here's my slime. It'll be in other videos. Okay, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment whose intro that is, because I know it, and they just started back. They took a break. And now they're back. they're doing the month of May. They're vlogging 31 days in a row. So, yeah. I love this. Bye. Have a very nice day.